Hey there, shoppers. Ever heard of Aliexpress? It's one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. Imagine a giant flea market, but instead of being limited to a single location, it's global and way, way bigger. Think of it as a massive online store with millions of products ranging from everyday essentials to unique finds. From clothes to gadgets, home decor to electronics, you can find almost anything you need or want. Aliexpress connects buyers like you and me directly with sellers, mostly from China. This means you get access to great deals and competitive prices. But with so many choices available, it can be a little overwhelming to navigate through all the options. That's where inventory management and smart shopping strategies come in handy. Knowing how to filter and sort products can save you time and effort. Ready to become an Aliexpress pro? Let's dive in and explore the tips and tricks to make your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Imagine ordering a bunch of cool stuff, but then forgetting what you ordered. Or worse, not knowing when to order more. That's why managing your inventory is super important. Good inventory management means you always know what you have. You'll know when to restock those hot-selling items. Plus, you'll avoid those awkward moments when a customer wants something you don't have. It's all about staying organized and keeping track of your products. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Ready for some easy-peasy inventory tips? Let's dive in and get your business running smoothly. First up, create a spreadsheet. This will be your go-to tool for keeping everything in check. List all your products, how much they cost, and how many you have. Make sure to update it regularly. It's like a digital catalog for your Aliexpress empire. This way, you can easily track what's in stock and what's not. Next, use folders in your email. Organize them by categories like orders, shipping info, and customer questions. Keep track of orders, shipping info, and customer questions. This will save you tons of time and hassle. No more searching through a million emails. Finally, set reminders. These will help you stay on top of everything. Know when a product is running low? Don't wait until it's too late. Set a reminder to order more. This way, you can restock before you run out. That way, you'll never run out of your best sellers. Stay organized, stay ahead, and watch your business thrive. Section 4. Aliexpress by the numbers, a global powerhouse. Hold on to your hats, folks. Aliexpress is crazy popular. It's not just a shopping site, it's a global phenomenon. We're talking over 150 million active buyers worldwide. That's like the population of several countries combined. That's a whole lot of people looking for awesome deals. And guess what? They find them every single day. Over 20 million products are sold on Aliexpress every single day. Imagine the variety and choices available. That's like selling out a giant stadium every day. Picture a stadium filled with people, all making purchases. See why inventory management is so important? Keeping track of millions of products is no small feat. With so many buyers and sellers, Aliexpress is a global marketplace. It's a bustling hub of international trade, and you can be a part of it. Whether you're a buyer looking for deals or a seller wanting to reach a global audience, Aliexpress has something for everyone. Section 5. Get started today. Manage your inventory, manage your success. So there you have it. Managing your Aliexpress inventory might seem a little daunting at first, but trust me, with these simple tips, you'll be an organization pro in no time. Remember, a well-managed inventory means happy customers and a thriving business. So go forth, organize, and conquer the world of Aliexpress. Happy selling!